Flossing with interdental brushes, exploring the correct ways of flossing. Traditional flossing is the act of cleaning between the teeth with string floss. But have you ever thought about flossing with interdental brushes instead? Flossing is the first line of defense against gum disease, cavities, and even bad breath. All of which almost always originate from those tricky and difficult to clean areas between the teeth. No single method of flossing is suitable for all people, and you should explore the various methods until you find the one that suits you the most. What exactly are interdental brushes? An interdental cleaner for reducing bleeding and plaque is a type of brush that is similar in shape to a toothpick. Some of them are straight like the toothpick, while other types have a bend in the working end. This makes them much easier to handle, especially in the back area of the mouth where access is difficult. They also come in a variety of sizes to suit all needs. Interdental brushes versus string floss. String floss is the most widely used method of flossing and has been so for many years. That's because it is easy, cheap and efficient. People who have extra wide spaces between their teeth as a result of gum disease or recession also often find string floss ineffective. It is in these situations where the interdental brush shines. Great if you have braces or dental implants. One more advantage of flossing with interdental brushes is for people who have braces. Flossing for people wearing braces is an absolute nightmare, and traditional string floss just doesn't cut it. Interdental brushes versus waterpik. Waterpiks are the latest trend nowadays, and to be frank, they truly changed the game of oral hygiene. Using a waterpik has been proven clinically to be far more efficient than any other method of flossing. Waterpiks are not cheap, and the decision to buy and use one may not be suitable for everyone. Flossing with interdental brushes answered. You can rest assured that the answer is yes. There is no need to sit on the fence and wonder which is better between dental floss or an interdental brush. We have your answer. For more information on how to manage your oral health, visit our website www.waterflosserguide.com.